chapter number 4 are festivals, है ना. In the last class we already had a discussion about the festivals. So I told you that India is the land of festival, right? India is the land of festival. And number 2, that on the festivals day, how we all are celebrating festivals. See, festivals gives us what? Festival gives us joy, festival gives us fun, festival gives us time to meet with your friends, with your relatives, है ना. So festival gives us joy, festival gives us fun, festival gives us time to spend that time, that quality time with your family, with your relatives, with your friends. Okay, and India is the land of the festival, and there are 3 types of festivals which we all Indians are celebrating. Number 1, the national festivals, number 2, the religious festivals, and number 3, the harvesting festivals. These 3 festivals we all Indians are celebrating each and every day. Okay, it is written in your book that almost each and every day we Indians are celebrating one festival. Okay, so we had a discussion on Independence Day. I told you that for each and every Indian, this 15th August date is very, very special, very precious to all of us, because we got independence from British rule. British rule से मतलब यहाँ पर ये है कि आज़ादी के पहले जो ब्रिटिशर्स थे वो हमारे को उन्होंने गुलाम बना के रखा था, और जैसा वो चाहते थे वैसा हमारे साथ व्यवहार करते थे, वैसा वो हमें ट्रीट करते थे, और उनके ही बनाए हुए रूल्स और रेगुलेशंस पूरी कंट्री में फॉलो होते थे. ठीक है, बट सिचुएशन हैज चेंज्ड. वी इंडियन गॉट फ्रीडम on 15th August 1947. We Indians got freedom on 15th August 1947, and for this freedom so many freedom fighters sacrificed their life. Then we got this freedom beta. There are lots of sacrifice behind that freedom. Lots of people has died, lots of people sacrifice their life, sacrifice their each and everything to get this freedom. So this is our responsibility to hold that freedom, to use this freedom very, very nicely. Okay, so understand about the Indian Independence Day, and I told you that the main function of Independence Day always held on Delhi, and it is held on Red Fort. In Hindi we can call it Lal Killa on the 15th August. Each and every year's 15th August, the Prime Minister of our country hosts the national flag on Red Fort, Delhi, and from there, from Red Fort, the Prime Minister of our country address to the people of the country. And this function, this Independence Day function, is celebrated in all over the country, in all the schools of the country, in all the government offices of the country. This festival is celebrated by each and every Indian. Okay, and I gave you a work. I told you to draw a nice and wonderful picture of our national flag. So today we will have a discussion, a healthy discussion on our national flag. Why this national flag is very precious to us. When anybody will get the achievement in his life, why he won is national flag on his body. See, have you seen that Olympic Games? So in Olympic Games, Indian hockey, men in Indian hockey got the bronze medal. PV Sindhu got the bronze medal in badminton. we got the bronze and silver medal. So जब भी खिलाड़ी whenever they got the win, whenever they got the first position in Olympic or second or third position, he always won that Indian flag and take the round of entire stadium, take the round of whole ground, because that time we all Indians feel so much proud, we all Indians feel so much well. जब नीरज चोपड़ा ने गोल्ड मेडल जीता था तब सारे इंडियंस ने व्हाट्सएप पे अपना डीपी चेंज किया, अपना स्टेटस चेंज किया, बिकॉज वी ऑल आर इंडियंस एंड वी फील वेरी वेरी प्राउड व्हेन आवर इंडियन नेशनल फ्लैग will flag on the international platform. ठीक है? So today we will discuss about our Indian flag. About our Indian flag, है ना? The picture of Indian flag. To make the picture of Indian flag is very very easy for everybody. It is very very easy for everybody. Okay. So tell me one thing, that how many colors are there in our national flag? How many colors? Sorry. How many colors are there in our national flag? Yes, you all are very absolutely right. There are 3 colors in our national flag. Number 1, the saffron color. Number 2, the white color. Number 3, the green color. And that circle in the center, it is called the Ashok Chakra. It is in blue in color. Okay. So 4 color is used is in our national flag. ठीक है. But basically we can say that in Hindi we are calling our national flag is Tiranga. So have you ever think that why we all are calling Tiranga in Hindi? Why we all are calling tricolor in English? Why only we have chosen saffron color? Why we have chosen only white color? Why we have chosen only the green color? हमने saffron, white और green को ही क्यों चुना? Why we don't have chosen any other color? Why we don't have chosen the red color, the pink color, the brown, the grey, the royal blue, the black? There are so many colors. There are so many colors. Why we have chosen only these 3 colors in our national flag? Why we have chosen only these 3 colors in our national flag? Have you ever think about that? कभी सोचा इस बारे में? Have you ever had a discussion with your parents about this, that मम्मी पापा सिर्फ तिरंगे में 3 कलर ही क्यों होते हैं? मैम, why only 3 colors is in our tricolor? Have you ever had a discussion with your parents, with your teachers about this? No? Okay, no problem. Today we will have a healthy discussion on that. So, first color, है ना? In our national color there are 3 colors. In our national flag there are 3 colors. That is the reason we can call it this tricolor also. हम इसको इंग्लिश में tricolor भी बोलते हैं. ठीक है? And हिंदी में इसको बोलते हैं तिरंगा. हिंदी में we can call it तिरंगा. ठीक है? Okay. So अब we will discuss on first color. First color is the saffron color. Maximum numbers of students are telling this कि ये तो नारंगी color है. No बेटा, this do not call it the नारंगी color. Call it the saffron color. Saffron और हिंदी we can say भगवा रंग. ठीक है? या तो you will tell the saffron color या तो you will tell the भगवा color. Do not say the orange color or नारंगी color. No. So number 1 पर होता है saffron. Number 1 पे होता है saffron. ठीक है? Number 1 strip पे होता है saffron color. अब saffron color, why we have chosen this saffron color? Because this saffron colors indicates the sacrifices of the freedom fighters. Those who sacrificed each and everything to God Shahid Bhagat Singh, Khudiram Bose, Veer Savarkar, all these are the freedom fighters according to me. I am not means this is my point of view. ठीक है? All these are the freedom fighters. They sacrifice their each and everything to get you free from British rule. So that is the reason number one में this saffron color. This saffron color indicates the courage. Indicates the courage of that freedom fighters, of those freedom fighters. ये उनके साहस को, courage means साहस, साहस, वीर, शौर्य का रंग होता है ये. ठीक है? So this saffron color is great significance in providing people encouragement about doing the work. Whatever courage they have, this color is saffron indicates the courage. Okay? Okay? Now अब नंबर 2 पे है व्हाइट कलर. नंबर 2 पे है व्हाइट कलर. So again I am telling you this, that why we have chosen only these three colors. There is something behind that ना. ये तो समझना पड़ेगा कि इन कलर को चूज करने के पीछे कुछ तो रीजन होगा, कुछ तो वजह होगी. So this white color indicates, this white color represent the peace of peace and truth. This white color indicates the peace and truth, shanti or such. This white color indicates the peace and truth, and this saffron color is indicates to courage. This saffron color is indicates to courage. ठीक है? And this white color indicates the peace and the truth. अब number 3 पे आया green color. This last वाला is green color. And green color signifies the fraternity. Green color indicates the fraternity of the land, the prosperity of the land. This green color is basically for the farmers, because India is the country of villages, India is the country of farmers, and 70% of Indian people, they are doing farming. They adopted their occupation as in farming. So this green color indicates the what? Indicates the fraternity, indicates the prosperity of the country. समृद्धि का प्रतीक होता है ये green color. Understand about all these things? इतना सबको समझ में आया? जो भी मैंने आपको whatever I told you, whatever we had a discussion on these three colors, have you understand all those colors? That this in a day. How many hours in a day? 24 hours. There are 24 hours in a day, and this Ashok Chakra indicates you, this Ashok Chakra represent you to tells you that you have to do hard work in all those 24 hours. Work hard for your country, work hard for your country, to 24 hours. ठीक है, 24 के 24 आवर्स आपको मेहनत करनी है, आपको काम करना है. डू हार्ड वर्क फॉर योर कंट्री फॉर कंटिन्यूअसली 24 आवर्स. So understand about the Ashok Chakra. Ashok Chakra is in navy blue in color, and it is located in the center of the flag, and there are 24 spokes in this Ashok Chakra. अब आपके दिमाग में ये बात आ रही होगी कि why these 24 spokes? 24 spokes ही क्यों होती है? तो क्योंकि हमारा जो गायत्री मंत्र होता है, in Hinduism there is a गायत्री मंत्र, ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. तो गायत्री मंत्र में 24 लेटर्स होते हैं. गायत्री मंत्र में 24 लेटर्स होते हैं, और उन 24 लेटर के ऊपर ही आपका ये अशोक चक्र बेस्ड है. वो क्या है आपका? गायत्री मंत्र में कितने लेटर्स हैं? 24. ठीक है, अब क्या क्या है वो? लेट्स सी. तत्, स, वी, तुर, व, रे, नी, यम, भर, गो, देवस्य, धी, मही, धियो, यो, ना, प्रचो, दयात. ठीक है, दिस इज दी गायत्री मंत्र. ओम तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. गायत्री मंत्र में 24 लेटर्स होते हैं. ठीक है, अब all these 24 letters indicates about the what? So about the courage, about the patience, about the peacefulness, about the goodness, about the gentleness, about the selfishness, about the self-control, about the self-spiritual, about the truthfulness, the right courage, the justified, the gracefulness, the humility, the empowerment, the sympathy, spiritual knowledge, ठीक है, moral values, and so many things. So this Gayatri mantra has 24 letters, और इसी 24 letters पे हमारा अशोक चक्र बेस्ड होता है. ठीक है, अगर हम इसको हिंदी में बोले तो ये 24 स्पोक्स में हर एक स्पोक्स आपको कुछ कहता है. वो आपको लव के बारे में बताता है, करेज के बारे में बताता है, पेशेंस के बारे में बताता है, पीसफुलनेस के बारे में बताता है. ठीक है, गॉडनेस के बारे में बताता है, जेंटलनेस के बारे में बताता है, सेल्फनेस के बारे में बताता है, सेल्फ कंट्रोल के बारे में बताता है, ट्रूथफुलनेस के बारे में बताता है, जस्टिस के बारे में बताता है, और बहुत सारी चीजें बताता है. memorize. अभी आप छोटे हैं, आप ये सब बातें याद नहीं रख पाएंगे. बस this information keep easy fix is in your mind that in Ashok Chakra there are 24 spokes. It indicates that each and every Indian should work hard 24 hours for the betterment of the country, and there are 24 words in the Gayatri months which is based on that 24 spokes. ठीक है, and each and every spokes has the meaning. No spoke has is without meaning. Okay, so I am hoping that whatever information I want to give you, that information you will fix over here is in your mind, and this information, this learning is enough in this class. When we will meet in the next class, that time we will discuss more about the Republic Day. Okay, so today we had a nice and healthy discussion on Indian flag, which is very necessary for your information, that why we have chosen only these three colors, what is Ashok Chakra, what is indicates this Ashok Chakra, all these things it is necessary to have these discussion. That why